Hey everybody. So in the video for classroom one, um, first thing I noticed right off the bat when the teacher started talking to the students was that she seemed like a bit aggressive, which in the podcast, the lady talked about how it's better to come off like the Michael Linson guy does, and he's got a real calm voice with the students. Just helps build a relationship better with them. But later in the video, I did notice that she did calm down. She lost such the aggressive tone towards the students. I feel she just wanted to kick it off that way to show them that she's actually serious about it. But in the classroom one video with the sixth graders, right at about 4 minutes, it seems a little teacher centered, which comes from the reading. So instead of it being community building and student engaging, it seemed like it was going to be a little teacher centered with her saying that she was going to run the classroom and, But then again, at 6 minutes in the same video, she states the rule, be honest. She says that everyone should be honest with each other, with the teachers. So she's holding the students to engage in that type of activity and be responsible and respectful to everybody else. Then again, at 8 minutes in the video, this one comes from the podcast. It looked like she was trying to do some modeling maybe. But it was not very detailed, like Michael was saying in the podcast that he relies on being very, very detailed in his modeling. Then again, at about 8:59 minutes, listening to others because you might have the same question. It just again goes back kind of to the podcast again. Just the students need to be aware, and the students need to be responsible for their learning. Just like the teachers are responsible for teaching the students need to be responsible for learning. Then for the second video here, right off the bat, this guy had great energy. I loved the way he talked to the kids and how he did the same thing as Michael Linson. As students come in one at a time, he's introducing himself to them, learning their name. Then again at 3:30, in the video, he's laying rules for once you get into the class. He says, copy the homework down, catch up on your social studies notebook, things like that. That's holding the students accountable, making them engage in their learning, like the podcast was talking about. Let's see here. I really like that icebreaker activity that he had in the end of the video there. That seemed like a really good way to get the students talking to each other. But awesome.